Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're in for a special treat. Today we're making street tacos with probably the best pork in the world. Today we're making Iberico Secretos Street Tacos on the birch barrel. The Secreto from the Iberico pig is an amazing piece of meat, and we're only gonna do a little bit to it. So basically you just wanna trim off some of the silver skin and some of the extra hard fat. When the Secretos are trimmed, we're going to season them on both sides richly with birch smoked sea salt from Saltwork. The Iberico Secretos are now trimmed and seasoned, so it's time to light up the birch barrel. And we're going to grill the Secreto over really hot fire. And we're using almond wood because it has this beautiful, sweet, mild, almost nutty flavor, which is going to work perfectly with the Iberico. So we're going to start by building a pile of almond splinters, insert a fire starter, and then light it on fire. So while we're waiting for the birch barrel to get up to temperature, we're going to start preparing the pineapple. And we're going to grill the pineapple because I believe that something magical happens to pineapple when it gets grilled. The flavor just completely transforms. So here's what we're going to do. You need to slice the pineapple into 1-inch slices. Then you want to remove the core with a ring cutter. You can also use a ring cutter to remove the hard outside. Then we're going to season both sides of the pineapple gently with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Pork Boost. The pineapple is seasoned, the birch barrel is up to heat, so let's start grilling. You want to place a cast iron skillet on the birch barrel. Then we're going to saute a red onion that we cut into thin slices. You also want to grill the pineapple slices until they have a good char and they're soft to the touch. When they're done, you want to remove them from the grill and you want to cut them into small pieces. We're also going to halve an avocado and then cut it into cubes. Place the Iberico Secretos on the grill and then we want to grill it for 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to flip it a couple of times. You want to cook it until you have an inner temperature of about 155 to 160 degrees. You also want to make sure that you have a nice char. The Iberico Secretos are now off the birch barrel and it's time to let them rest for about 5 minutes, and then it's time to start assembling the street tacos. First we want to slice the Secreto into strips with the grain. Then you want to slice these strips into thin slices against the grain. Now let's start building the tacos. Start by placing the avocado cubes on a heated flour tortilla. Next, we're gonna add the sauteed red onions, and then we wanna place the grilled pineapple chunks. Then we wanna spoon some salsa tatemada on the tacos, which is a roasted salsa. Next, we wanna add plenty of the Iberico Secretos, and then we're gonna top it off with some spicy Pico de Gallo. Last but not least, we're gonna drizzle the tacos with lime cilantro crema. And then they're ready to serve. And that is how we make these amazing Iberico Secretos street tacos. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And look at that, that's a loaded taco right there. So here we go. Tilt the head, not the taco. Yeah, that is so good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.